Imagine a stack of fluffy pancakes, golden brown, each one tender and soft as a cloud. A drizzle of pure maple syrup cascades down the sides, pooling at the base. A pat of butter melts slowly on top, adding a rich, creamy flavor. The scent of vanilla and warm butter fills the air, making your mouth water. This is the magic of homemade fluffy pancakes, and guess what? They're incredibly easy to make. Begin by gathering all the necessary ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3½ teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of white sugar, 1¼ cups of milk, 1 egg, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Take a large bowl and combine the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar. Sift these together until they're well mixed. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk and egg. Then, slowly add in the melted butter. Next, create a well in the center of the dry ingredients. Pour the milk and egg mixture into the well and stir until it's just combined. Don't overmix it. A few lumps are perfectly fine and will help create that fluffy texture you're after. Now, heat a lightly oiled griddle or frying pan over medium-high heat. Pour or scoop the batter onto the griddle, using approximately 1/4 cup for each pancake. Wait until bubbles appear on the surface, then flip with a spatula and cook until golden brown on the other side. And there you have it. Warm, fluffy pancakes ready in minutes. Drizzle them with your favorite syrup, add a dusting of powdered sugar, or enjoy them plain. They're delicious any way you serve them. To recap, you'll start by combining your dry ingredients in one bowl and your wet ingredients in another. Then, you'll mix the two together, being careful not to overmix. Cook the pancakes on a heated griddle or frying pan, waiting for bubbles to appear before flipping. Once they're golden brown on both sides, they're ready to enjoy. Making homemade pancakes doesn't have to be complicated. With these simple steps, you can whip up a batch of fluffy, delicious pancakes anytime you like. They're perfect for a leisurely weekend breakfast, a fun weeknight dinner, or even a late-night snack. So why not give it a try? You may just find that these easy, fast, fluffy pancakes become your new favorite recipe.